Pozole season is here, so we had to pull up to Carnitas El Brother in Port Hueneme. Hello everyone, today we had the pleasure of trying their red and green pozole, and let me tell you, it's giving authentic, bold, and straight from the kitchen vibes. And of course, you can never go wrong with their carnitas. We grabbed them in tacos, and let me tell you, crispy, juicy, packed with flavor, exactly what carnitas were meant to taste like. So next time you're craving something real, come to Carnitas El Brother. Find them on the Local Maps app, add them to your favorites, and then vote for your favorite tags so the community can see what you love most. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's see what everyone picks. Local Eats, community votes, all on Locally Maps. We'll catch you in the next one.